best sunset viewing in Hong Kong. West Kowloon Park. How to get there? Exit from MTR Kowloon Station exit E4 or E5. Walk along NGA Chung Road and cross the footbridge into the West Kowloon Cultural District approx. 10 minutes.
O diba guys, ang ganda ng sunset dito. Kung may isa akong video na mapanood nyo kung gaano kaganda ang sunset dito. Best spot talaga dito sa Hong Kong kung sa city ka lang. Ang West Kowloon Park for sunset viewing. Yan, pauwi na kami. At saka masaya dyan sa park guys kasi may malaking Christmas tree na. Hindi na kami pumila doon dahil very crowded kasi 1 week pa lang nakatayo doon. So, babalik kami next time. O diba, ang ganda ng sky at magmuni-muni dyan. We'll see you again next time. May fireworks daw sa December 22. Baka pumunta kami dyan ulit. Thank you. That side, yung side na yan, dyan pwedeng tayo ng tent at saka mag-picnic. At saka that side din yung magandang viewing point ng sunset.